look at this ref div value. This is the nightmare of every professional. You spend more time fixing broken formulas than actually analyzing business. But in 2026, you don't need to be an Excel wizard anymore. Today, I'm showing you how to turn Copilot into your personal data scientist. I'm Paul Keijzers. I help companies from Excel chaos to data clarity. According to Microsoft, many of the advanced AI features we are seeing today should be rolling out to more business tenants this quarter. I'm going to show you 3 quick wins that will change your work forever. Step 1. Visualize instead of fighting with pivot tables. I just ask Copilot for the chart I want. So it understands the columns, my columns like sales, region instantly. And watch this, I can even ask it to make the title sales by region. So first we have this great report. And now I'm going to change the title, make title sales by region. And it works. So here we have it, and we can add it to a new sheet directly from here. So here we have it, sales by region. This is a real nice one. Quick win number 2, risk detection. I'm going to prompt a new prompt, and I'm going to ask highlight entire rows where merchant percentages is below 10%. So no more manual searching. I tell just Copilot to highlight every row my margin is under 10%. It applies to conditional formatting in seconds across thousands of rows of data. This level of precision is a total game changer of business control. Here we go. So normally you would have a lot of trouble to get this to work. But Copilot already gives you the formula how to do it. So you have to select all the rows, home conditional formatting, new rule. So that's also easy. It's only follow the rules. And then we have to do this, click format and OK. So I'm going to go one step further. This is a bit off script, but can you do this for me? So I'm just doing one step extra because I want to have it done by Copilot and not do it manually at this moment. As you can see, it says it cannot do it directly in a one-click option. However, it comes back with how to do it without code, but also a code version. So you can do it very easy and just execute that code, which does exactly the same. So this is nice, but it's not optimal yet. However, I think this will be improved very soon. Number 3, quick win, data cleaning, the lifesaver. As you can see, I have a large sum of data here. It's about 10,000 rows. And what I want to do is I actually want to clean up some files. So in this step, we are going to prompt the following. I have to copy it because most of us have messy data. It can just happen. It's not something that is happening. So in this case, I have missing cost values. Instead of manually entering, I ask Copilot to find the anomalies and fix them. It not only repairs the data, but explains its logic. It's like having a junior analyst working for you 24/7. So here you go. You have your sheet. It's found 5 rows where cost was missing, not available. I loaded and checked the file programmatically, so it does it for you. Here are the rows with the missing data. And I can even say, okay, add to a new data sheet so I can explain them. Or I can say, I want to fix it by correcting the formula. And I can do this to the new sheet as well. So the next steps would be load the data sheet from your Excel book, search for the missing values, locate the 5 rows, which are easy because you have the numbers. Replace the values with the missing values. If you want me to write these corrected values back into your Excel file and generate an updated version, you can just say save the corrected datasheet back to the file. So I'm going to do that now. And I can even say it here, but let's just do it here. Oh, that was the wrong prompt. Save. And I don't know why. Sometimes it hangs. So I asked it to correct it and then save it back to the file. So here it is, and I can download the copy directly again. So it all did this in one go. So that's really nice. The secret to getting these Excel results is knowing exactly which prompt to use. But first of all, you need to set up your Copilot correctly. So I made a 13-step guide to save your time. You can download it below. In the description, there's a link directly to it. And with that, if you do that, you will directly get my emails as well, which brings me to you are up to date and really glad. So Excel formulas aren't dead, but they just got a lot easier with Copilot. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to KbWorks. I'm Paul Keijzers. Stop fighting with cells and start winning with data. I'll see you in the next one.